If you want to speak English more naturally, listen to this short conversation and repeat after us. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will practice real English conversations. Today we will practice a real conversation in a cafe, the kind of conversation people have in everyday life. You will hear natural English, useful phrases, and real dialogue. First, just listen, then repeat after the speaker. This method will help you improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons. Now, let's begin. Imagine you are sitting in a cafe and having a relaxed conversation. Let's start practicing. Listen, this place is always busy in the evening. Repeat, this place is always busy in the evening. Listen, yes, but the atmosphere here is really nice. Repeat, yes, but the atmosphere here is really nice. Again, this place is always busy in the evening, yes, but the atmosphere here is really nice. Listen, have you tried the pasta here? Repeat, have you tried the pasta here? Listen, not yet, but I've heard it's really good. Repeat, not yet, but I've heard it's really good. Again, have you tried the pasta here? Not yet, but I've heard it's really good. Listen, I'm thinking about ordering something light. Repeat, I'm thinking about ordering something light. Listen, maybe a salad or a sandwich. Repeat, maybe a salad or a sandwich. Again, I'm thinking about ordering something light, maybe a salad or a sandwich. Listen, the food here is surprisingly good. Repeat, the food here is surprisingly good. Listen, yes, and the coffee is excellent too. Repeat, yes, and the coffee is excellent too. Again, the food here is surprisingly good. Yes, and the coffee is excellent too. Listen to the dialogue. I wasn't expecting this place to be so nice. Really? I come here quite often. What do you usually order? The grilled chicken is my favourite. Repeat the dialogue slowly. Listen, I usually avoid heavy meals in the evening. Repeat, I usually avoid heavy meals in the evening. Listen, that makes sense. I try to do the same. Repeat, that makes sense. I try to do the same. Listen, the lighting here makes the place feel cozy. Repeat, the lighting here makes the place feel cozy. Listen, yes, it's perfect for relaxing after a long day. Repeat, yes, it's perfect for relaxing after a long day. Listen, I'm glad we decided to come here. Repeat, I'm glad we decided to come here. Listen, me too. It's much better than I expected. Repeat, me too. It's much better than I expected. Listen again. Have you tried the pasta here? Not yet, but I've heard it's really good. I'm thinking about ordering something light, maybe a salad or a sandwich. Repeat the conversation. Speak clearly. Speak naturally. Listen, do you have any recommendations from the menu? Repeat, do you have any recommendations from the menu? Listen, the chef's special is actually very popular. Repeat, the chef's special is actually very popular. Again, do you have any recommendations from the menu? The chef's special is actually very popular. Listen, the menu here is surprisingly diverse. Repeat, the menu here is surprisingly diverse. Listen, yes, they offer both local and international dishes. Repeat, Yes, they offer both local and international dishes. Again, the menu here is surprisingly diverse. Yes, they offer both local and international dishes. Listen, it might take a while. The place looks really crowded. Repeat, it might take a while. The place looks really crowded. Listen, that's okay. I'm not in a hurry tonight. Repeat, that's okay. I'm not in a hurry tonight. Listen, something smells amazing. Repeat, something smells amazing. Listen, I think that's the grilled fish. Repeat, I think that's the grilled fish. Again, something smells amazing. I think that's the grilled fish. Listen, the portions here are actually quite generous. Repeat. The portions here are actually quite generous. Listen, that's good to know. I'm really hungry today. Repeat. That's good to know. I'm really hungry today. Listen, are you planning to order something to drink? Repeat. Are you planning to order something to drink? Listen, yes, I might try their iced coffee. Repeat. Yes, I might try their iced coffee. Again, are you planning to order something to drink? Yes, I might try their iced coffee. Listen, the service here is always very friendly. Repeat. The service here is always very friendly. Listen, yes, the staff are really attentive. Repeat. Yes, the staff are really attentive. Listen, do you come here often? Repeat. Do you come here often? Listen, whenever I need a quiet place to relax. Repeat. Whenever I need a quiet place to relax. Listen, are you thinking about getting dessert? Repeat. Are you thinking about getting dessert? Listen, maybe. I heard the cheesecake is excellent. Repeat. Maybe. I heard the cheesecake is excellent. Listen, that was a really enjoyable meal. Repeat. That was a really enjoyable meal. Listen, yes, we should definitely come back sometime. Repeat. Yes, we should definitely come back sometime. Great work today. You practiced real English conversations that people actually use in daily life. The more you repeat these phrases, the more natural your English will sound. Practice again tomorrow. See you in the next lesson.